Hi, this is Grace and welcome to my channel, Go Grow Grace. Today I'm going to color my hair. With this color I'm using L'Oreal Paris, and this color is UL63 High Lift Gold Brown. I colored my hair 2 years ago. No, I think 1 year ago, and my hair grew and I got my natural color here. I've been thinking of dyeing it or not dyeing it. Yes, but yeah, I think I've decided that I'm gonna do it now. So we have, it's from here. We have, I think this is the conditioner after I color my hair. And this one, I think we have to mix it here and here and then shake it. All right, but I'm not really sure. It's been a long time. It's been 1 year. No, 1 year and a half that I did this. I've used this product before. That's why I know how. I'm using this one. Okay. Now, let's do it. Right. So the instruction is here, so it's very important to follow this instruction. And I think the total time is 30 minutes. Okay. Right. Oops. And I have gloves. Perfect. All right. Now I'm dyeing my hair. I'm ready. All right. So the first instruction is to put on the gloves. Put on the gloves. And then, so pour these in here. So let's open this. Right. Not a good smell. And let's open this. Oh, smells good. And then you mix. And then shake it, I guess. Let me just verify that. Wait, never leave the tip unopened. Oh yeah, I have to open the tip then. Or it might burst. Oh my gosh. I need to take the tip off because it says if I mix it and it's not removed, it might burst. So that we don't want that to happen, right? So let's take it off. The problem is, how do I take it off? Good question. Right here, and of course, there. So it's gone. And then when you shake it until they're properly mixed and blended. And then now we're gonna go for application. Right, well, I will wait for 30 minutes and we'll rinse my hair after that, and we'll use this conditioner to rinse my hair. And it says do not use shampoo for 24 hours after coloring the hair. So yes, we'll see you in a bit.
Oh yeah.
Hi, so yes, I've already bathed and this is the end result. I never expect actually that it would really it would turn out the same color as this one right here. So as you can see, I think it really got the color and I'm so happy about the result. Yeah, so my hair is a little bit wet and I think I can see the blonde, like I can see the color coming out. So guys, I do want to emphasize the instruction of this product. Of course, you're going to read this when you buy the product, but if you are still deciding or have not decided yet if you're going to buy the product, so yeah, might help if I read you the instruction. So here, do not use, important, hair color can cause an allergic reaction, which in certain rare cases can be severe. Therefore, you must follow these precautions. First, do not use if you have already had a reaction to a hair color product. So I never had one. I've had hair colors and it was fine. you have a sensitive or itchy or damaged scalp. Yeah, check your scalp. And then if you have a tattoo, the risks of allergic reaction may be increased. Perform a skin allergy test 48 hours before each use of this product. So luckily for me, I'm not really sensitive. I don't have really sensitive skin. All right, so avoid contact of this product with eyes and skin. If product gets into your eyes, rinse immediately. Wear gloves. Yes, we got that. Wear gloves provided in kit. They provided gloves, kit, the color, and then we mix it. And of course, the conditioner after, when you bath. And then do wait at least 14 days after bleaching, relaxing or perming before coloring. All right, so if you're already permed, yes, you might want to wait 14 days before you color. And then keep product out of reach of children. Do not apply on children. Nah, not gonna happen. All right, so yeah. And another thing is when you rinse your hair, use cold water, not hot water. I usually bath with hot water because it calms me. If you don't want to go to salon and you want to look for products that may suit you or a color, I think I would recommend this one, L'Oreal Paris. And yes, this is what I've used, L'Oreal Paris, and the color is UL63 High Lift Gold Brown. Yes, and it's warmer. Well, thank you so much for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye-bye.